Let us go to Lockhart, northern Caldwell County. We're looking at a clear sky from our Kreitz Market weather camera and very little traffic right now on 183. Lake levels are steady from last night's reading. Travis 638.61, Buchanan 1003.44. The increase in Travis over the last month is a little more than 3 feet. Buchanan is up 5¼ feet in just the last month, but we may have reached our peak. We may start seeing these levels go down here now that we are in a rain-free period for a couple of days. Today's high temperatures 93 to 97 on average. Most will be in the mid-90s, with humidity dropping from now into the noon hour down into the 50s and 60s, and then a further reduction. The effects of the upper level ridge of high pressure will find some of our humidity readings in the 30s between 4 and 5 o'clock this afternoon. Yesterday, our maximum heat index was up at Pflugerville, 108. It felt like 107 at maximum at LaGrange, 104 at Cameron, and 103 at both Austin locations. By noon, the feels-like temperatures will be in the 90s, upper 90s to maybe even 100, parts of Bastrop, Caldwell, Lee, and Fayette counties. And then our maximum heat indices, again, on average, and especially along and east of I-35, will be between 101 and 105, so just plan for that. All right, high pressure ridging back on into central Texas will dominate our weather for the next couple of days, but notice the high starts to move away, and as it does, it opens the door for what we call an inverted trough of low pressure. It's an area of low pressure that will come in from the Gulf, and it will lead to the low-end rain chances that we have in our forecast Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday as that high gets even further away. So today, in the short term, sunshine, fair weather clouds. Tonight, a mostly clear sky, some passing clouds tomorrow, and that will continue through the afternoon as well, with a little bit of rain Thursday and then a little bit of rain on Friday. These are all afternoon induced showers and storms as the atmosphere heats up with a moist air mass. We'll see this rain possible on Sunday as well. Again, low chances, and then a little higher probability of rain for Monday. Right now, we are forecasting most rain totals out in the hill country of 1/10 of an inch or less. There may be 1 or 2 stations that get a little bit more of that, and I'll go 1/4 of an inch to maybe 1/2 an inch on the highest end in areas along and east of I-35, so just plan for that. As we take a look at our forecast for today, and okay, there we go, 97 for the high. Normal high is 94. We'll find increasing wind speeds through the late morning into the afternoon. Southerly 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to as high as 20 to 25. Those winds stay up during the evening and again tomorrow. No rain tomorrow, sunny, fair weather clouds, 97, and then we'll be in the mid-90s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Juneteenth will find a little bit of rain, but not until late in the afternoon. Same thing for Friday. Summer solstice, by the way, at 9:41 Friday night. Saturday, the first full day of astronomical summer. A 10% chance of mid to late afternoon rain and a high of 95.